Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Clermont local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move requires thorough preparation. One common problem with relocating over long distances is that people do not get their property on time. And without these items, it is impossible to be fully settled into the new place. Another common problem is the condition of your belongings after the move. If the moving service does not have well-balanced trucks and expert professional drivers, your belongings can get damaged during the transfer. At 3 Movers, we can assure you that none of these highlighted situations will happen. Since we have already envisaged the problems, we have drawn up a plan to deal with them. Such issues can arise due to the road terrain, truck condition, or property safety. To deal with these problems, we ensure to map out the best possible routes for the journey. Not only that, but we also use top-of-the-line trucks to transport all our clients' belongings. You can contact us if you are relocating locally or making a move of fewer than 100 miles. With us, you will enjoy a stress-free relocation. Our hourly rates are very affordable, about $30 to $40. We can also maneuver seamlessly through the bustling streets without any issues. All these are due to our understanding of the road terrain and the experience and expertise of our professional movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clermont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.